This week, I really want to encourage you to get your clarity back, get your memory back by using rosemary. This is my oil of the week. I've been using it in conjunction with a lot of other things to help me with lowering my stress levels and my adrenals. The wonderful thing about rosemary, especially if you diffuse it during work, is that it helps with your memory and your focus. And for those who have little kiddos who have that problem, apply it to a carrier oil like almond oil or sesame oil or jojoba or coconut oil, and apply it on their skin. This will help them be more calm. This is such an underrated oil because you can use it with so many things and also in conjunction with other oils. I love mixing it with lavender, cedarwood, peppermint. With peppermint, it's almost like a hot, cool effect that's really good as a muscle rub. So some of the things that rosemary is good for is thickening the hair. So if those that have thinning hair, put it in your shampoo and watch it thicken. Use it over a time period, though, like a month, and see how it does. It's great for memory and focus. Like I said, I love diffusing this. I love putting it into my lotions and applying it on my hands. I love to rub it all along my ears. And then pushing it right here and then just swiping it. I apply that directly. This is great for inflammation and pain. Like I said, it's a great muscle rub if you mix this with peppermint. And then it's also really good for liver and gallbladder detoxification. Yeah, it helps purify that. So I'll just put that like here underneath my spleen and my liver, and I just kind of rub it in. You apply oil wherever you feel like you need it. The bottom of the feet is always a good spot. So it's also really good for adrenal fatigue and cortisol and stress levels. I love to have it as a tea. I'll drop it in some warm water and add a little bit of honey, and it's just such a wonderful tea for me, and that gets me the herbal nutrition that I need from it. So give rosemary a try.